Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to set up a custom domain for your Olares system. So instead of using the default Olares domain, you can access everything through your own domain. We'll also cover activation, login, and how to create more Olares IDs under the same domain. I will follow the steps outlined in this tutorial, which I linked below. So you need to start fresh with an unactivated Olares device. If you are currently having an Olares device running, it means you must restore it to the factory settings first. I will also show you how in a minute. And this part explains how custom domain works in Olares. In short, the domain is managed through an organization, so you'll need to create one to host the custom domain. I will skip the details here. Let's quickly go over what you'll need. A valid domain name from a registrar, the LarePass app, and a clean device to install Olares on. One more thing is network access for your Olares device. Alright, ready? Let's get started. First, we need to create a DID. It's a temporary account state and the only stage where you can associate a custom domain. Open the LarePass app on your phone. As you can see, I have an Olares ID created and my Olares One running. Now, a quick reminder, if you're using Olares One, go to Vault, tap on 2FA codes, and then all vaults. This is the host password. Olares One automatically resets and saves it to Vault during first activation. If you don't reset it manually, make sure to back it up. Otherwise, you won't be able to SSH in or log in physically to Olares One. Now go back to Settings, then System, then Restore to Factory Settings. LarePass warns that this will delete everything. Let's continue. You'll be prompted to enter the local password. That's the password we set for LarePass on this device. After a moment, you'll return to the device discovery page for your local network. Let's tap the profile icon, and here's the switch account page. Tap Add Account and then Create Account. So this action actually creates a DID. Let's tap the switch icon in the top right, then the profile icon again. You'll see the status shown as no Olares ID bound. Next step is to add the domain in Olares Space. Open Olares Space in your browser. Now head over to LarePass. On the account creation page, tap the scan icon to scan this QR code. Once you're in, go to the custom domain page. Select Setup Domain Name. Enter your custom domain here. A subdomain is recommended. If you use a primary domain, Olares Space takes over all DNS management and your existing records won't transfer. Moving forward, I will be using olares.n1.monster. Click Confirm. Here's our custom domain and its current status. We need to prove we own this domain by adding a TXT record. Click View Details. A dialog shows the exact name and value you need to add. Now I'll go to my domain registrar's DNS settings. Select TXT from the list, paste the name we just copied, then the value. And save it. Okay, we have a TXT record added. Go back to Olares Space. The status here updates to DNS configuration required. Click View Details. Now we need to add 2 name server records. This delegates DNS resolution for your subdomain to Olares' Cloudflare. Let's copy the first one. Add an NS record. Now for the name field, enter the subdomain only. So I will enter Olares. And paste the first value. Save it. And repeat for the second record. Go back to Olares Space. This process should take a few minutes depending on your domain registrar. Once verified, the status updates to Organization Setup Required. Click View Details. So we need to complete the rest of the setup in LarePass. Still on the account creation page, tap the switch icon in the top right corner. Tap Organization Olares ID and select Create Organization. Your verified domain will automatically appear in the list. enter a username for your Olares ID. You might notice the length requirement is a bit different from the regular Olares ID, and the minimum is shorter. I will use Lares, then tap Confirm. Okay, now I have an Olares ID with my custom domain, and with admin privileges for this domain. Tap Next to go to the activation page. This should look familiar. Now let's install and activate Olares OS. In this video, I'm going to activate Olares One. If you are installing Olares on a Linux device and prefer the script method, you can refer to the tutorial. Platform-specific steps may vary, so if you're unsure, leave a comment or post your host platform details in the Olares forum. Okay, tap Discover nearby Olares. Here's my Olares One, freshly reset. Make sure your phone and the Olares device are on the same network. Otherwise, LarePass can't detect the Olares instance. The remaining steps are the same as the ISO installation. I'll also link that video in the description. Select a reverse proxy for remote access. Then reset the login password. Okay, here's the Olares desktop address. Let's open it in the browser and enter the password we just set. Confirm the login on LarePass. And now my Olares One is running on the custom domain. Finally, say, what if you want to create a second Olares ID with that same custom domain? For example, for yourself or for a colleague, a family member. Luckily, you don't have to repeat all the previous steps. You can simply add a team member because a custom domain is managed through an organization. I'll walk through all the steps myself, but in practice, who performs each step depends on the role. Go back to Olares Space, refresh this page, and the domain status now shows active. Click View. The first row is the Olares ID we just created. Click Add New User. Enter a username for the member. Okay, I'll use Alice for this example. Click Add. An Olares Space generates a password for the member. Provide the full Olares ID and password to that member. They'll use these to create their Olares ID in LarePass. Okay, now from the member's perspective, the steps are similar, so I need to create a DID first. And on this page, instead of Create Organization, tap Join Organization and enter the full Olares ID, which is alice@olares.n1.monster, and paste the password. Oops, looks like there's an extra space. And tap Continue. Just like that, we just created another Olares ID with the same custom domain. Now if we refresh Olares Space, you'll see Alice's status update to verified. We've covered a lot in this video. If you find anything helpful, please give us a thumbs up. If anything wasn't clear, drop a comment below or go to Olares forum. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.